Nanaboozhoo, can you give me a check 1 2? Why don't you give me a check 1 2? Check 1 2, check 1 2. All right, that's pretty good. Natasha, can you give me a check 1 2, sweetheart? Check 1 2, sweetheart. Yeah, do that one more time. Check 1 2, check 1 2. All right. Well, you're coming in loud and clear out here. Should we try the intro music again? Yeah, if you like. Let me see how it starts. Yeah, that's real nice. If I were announcing the show, I would just say, Boozhoo. Welcome back to Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo, the podcast about OJIBWE language and culture. I am Mukwa. Mukwa Nanaboozhoo, Bear. Bear is what I'm called. And this is our Ojibwe phrase of the day. This is what we're going to teach you kids today. So settle in. You've just arrived at the Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo podcast with me, Mukwa, the bear. Something like that. I think that's pretty good. You just want to do that for the intro? No, we got to do a live stream. I think you should do the intro. No, you go ahead. Really? Yeah, keep going. All right. Hey, everybody. I'm Mukwa, bear. Mukwa Nanaboozhoo. And that's our phrase of the day. Mukwa Nanaboozhoo. Bear is my name. Right? So Mukwa, in the language, is bear. What can I tell you about the bear? Well, bear, the Mukwa, we're the protector. We're the protectors of the Anishinaabe. The Mukwa Dodam, the bear clan, they say we're the protectors. We're also the medicine clan. We know the good medicines and the good berries and which berries you ain't supposed to eat. That's why you always find bears out in the woods. Maybe that's why they call us berries, because we know the berries. They call us bears. I don't know. And let's see what else. You might find us out at the dump. Because I'll tell you what, just because it says it's expired, that don't mean that food ain't no good. You can still find some good food out the old dump. So Mukwa Nanaboozhoo. Mukwa bear is my name. So you might be asking yourself, well, what good does that do me? Bear ain't my name. What's the point of learning all this language anyway, Mukwa? I can hear you say. Well, let me tell you something. Here's a little more Ojibwe for you then. Anin. Eiji Nakazoyan. What are you called? What are you called? So let's say you find yourself out in Ojibwe territory. And you stumble across an old Ojibwe speaker. And you want to know his name. You say, Anin. Eiji Nakazoyan. What are you called? And he'll tell you. If you find me, I'll say Mukwa Nanaboozhoo. Bear. Bear's my name. Bear's my name. Bear's my job. That's what I am. That's what I'm called. That's what I do. A bear. I bear around. I bear witness. I bear the troubles of the world on my shoulders. All right. Well, having said that, let me just say, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Nanaboozhoo. Take it away, boss. All right, Nanaboozhoo, can you give me... Okay, hey, Boozhoo. And thank you, Mukwa. That was a really good intro, huh? Boozhoo, Mino Giga Jabe. Good morning. It looks like the Boozhoo crew is filing in. We got Brandy Marie, Boozhoo, Brandy Marie, and of course Jim Dunn. And Missy's here. Hey, Boozhoo, cuz. How you doing, Missy? Sweetie, Missy's here. Boozhoo, Missy. That's Natasha. She says hello. Jessica Gonzalez is here. She says, my cat is trying to attack and bite Mukwa on the screen. Jessica's cat doesn't like Mukwa. Let's see. Missy says, told you I would get up early one morning. Yeah. Oh, look who's finally up. It's Missy. What's the occasion? When somebody notices that Missy's up at 8 in the morning, you go, oh, wow, you're really out late. Instead of saying, oh, you're up early with Missy, it's, oh, she's still out late. Missy, the MVP is here. The most valuable player. Now you guys, you got to be nice to Missy. All right, that's my cousin. She's very sensitive. Don't be making all your Bina jokes. She can't help it. You gotta speak slow. She's from Bina. Okay. So yeah, big day. What is it? Abatuse? It's Abatuse, sweetie. Yeah, Abatuse. It's Wednesday. Ladies and gentlemen, the lovely and talented Natasha. Ikadon Boozhoo, Weenie Mooshane. Say hello, sweetheart. Boozhoo, everybody. How you doing? And yeah, so Abatuse is Wednesday. We're halfway through the work week, and let's see, it's the 14th, I guess. Got the taxes done. Went in and turned in my stuff, and I always feel like they don't believe me. I was talking to the lady there, and she was like, "Oh, do you have a room that you just use for business?" Well, yeah, this room. She goes, "Oh, you don't use it for anything else?" Like, what do you mean? It's just business, right? You don't use it for anything non-business related. She asked me like 3 times. I was like, well, I mean, no, I guess I just got the one computer. Sometimes I watch YouTube videos. Sometimes I play songs in this room. That's not really business related. I mean, it sort of is if I write a song about blueberry pie. Mina bashki mina segani batuse chikani bakwe chikan. But I started feeling guilty, like, look, okay, don't count it as a business office then. I don't know. I don't want to get into trouble. How much do I owe the government? And let me go. I don't owe the government anything, but I sure owed H&R Block a lot. Anyway. Jessica says, it's totally business related. You're a songwriter. Yeah, huh? I write songs about, Leech Lake. Gazagasqua, Jamaica. Gazagasqua. How's that song go? So I wrote a song about Leech Lake. How to say it in Ojibwe. Gazagasqua, Jamaica. Gazagasqua, Jamaica. Come on, everybody. It's fun when you sing it. Huh, sweetie? Now I'm gonna bring it. Gazagasqua, Jamaica. Gazagasqua, Jamaica. Yeah. Gazagasqua, Jamaica. Leech Lake. The lake of the leeches. Oh, what a beautiful lake. A lake with a whole bunch of leeches. Ugh. That's what they call that lake, you guys. That's no joke. The Leech Lake. Oh yeah, come vacation. Bring your children to swim in a place named after the abundance of leeches, the bloodsuckers. Oh wow, and speaking of bloodsuckers, that old Prince Philip, he's been on my mind. I mean, not him so much, but his poor old wife, the queen. You know, I mean, how long were they married? And yeah, I understand he was, you know, an undead, unholy creature of the night who would change into a bat and fly around. Yeah, granted. You know, who among us is perfect, huh? But that old poor Queen Elizabeth, the old Queen of England, you know, she lost her man. She's single now, huh? I should try to set her up with my dad or something. And, you know, so, hey, sweetie, can you do me a favor? What's that? Would you mind calling up the Queen of England for us? Yeah, sure, hold on. Let's see, I'm just going to Google. What is that, Buckingham Palace? Yeah, I think so. Buckingham Palace. La, la, la. Okay. And, hey, if I do an international call, do I dial 011? Yeah, that's right. Okay. Da, 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 da. All right, it's ringing. Hello, this is Natasha. Yeah, from the Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo podcast. Is this Buckingham Palace? Okay, can I talk to the Queen? All right. I'm on hold. Okay, she's on hold. Hi, is this the Queen? Hi, this is Natasha. Yeah, from the Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo podcast. Do you want to be on the show? Okay. Hey, sweetie, she's on line 2. All right, thank you. Line 2. Hello, Queen of England. Welcome to Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo. Why, hello, Nanaboozhoo. Oh, what gives? Why do you call me at such a, is it late here or early? What can I do for you, Nanaboozhoo? Oh, I just wanted to call and, you know, give you my condolences. I'm really sorry about your old man passing away like that. Oh, yeah, it's a bloody mess, I tell ya. Oh, he passed away in his sleep. He's all peaceful like. And I cried. Yeah, I'm sure you did. So how you holding up? Oh, I'm getting a little better every day. Me son, he came over from America. Yeah, I saw that. Old Henry came to the funeral, huh? Yeah, he came to pay his respects. Oh. But Megan didn't show up, huh? No, she didn't show up. I guess she's a little too good to be hanging around with us racist commoners. Yeah, well, you're not really a commoner. Oh, whatever. She thinks she's too good for the Queen of England. Oh, I tell you, she can go to rot as far as I care. Really? Oh, you know, I never much cared for that Megan. Oh, she's a right pill. Yeah, she is, huh? So what are you going to do now? You think you'll ever, you know, you're single again. You think you might go out on a market, try to find a new man? Yeah, well, I'm thinking about maybe hitting the powwow highway this summer. What do you think? Yeah, you know, there's lots of single old men out at powwows. You might be able to snag somebody. Yeah, I might come down to the old Leech Lake 4th of July. Usually reconnects right away. Yep, here we are again. Sorry, guys. I hope we weren't just disconnected there. I don't think you're supposed to make fun of the Queen. So, Queen, is there anything I can do for you in this time of your need? Oh, you know, if you know any single men, you know, I'm feeling just a bit randy. I am. Yeah, okay. I'll keep that in mind if I know anybody who's you know, who's in the market. All right, well, hang in there, Queen. You know, you're in our hearts and our prayers, and we just wish you the best. And sorry once again about your vampire husband dying. Oh, that's okay. No, don't think about it again, love. Yeah, okay. All right, I'll see you later. Okay, gigawabamin, minawa. Yeah, gigawabamin, minawa. She seems okay. Yeah, I don't think she's really that beat up about it. Yeah, I mean, it must have been coming for a long time. You know. So Missy says, oh, the secrets that woman holds. Yeah, You know, after all these years, that old queen, I bet you she really knows how to please a man. Nah. Oh, the things that queen knows. She knows how to touch you just right. She can bring home the bacon, fried up in a pan, and never, ever, ever let you forget you're a man. That's important, sweetie. You think it's important that the queen doesn't let her man forget he's a man? Yeah, especially these days. Especially in England. Half of those guys forget they're men. And they end up acting like ladies. I don't know. Of course, in America, we're just as bad. Where the girls are like baby-face boys. And the boys are like baby-face girls. How you guys doing today? Boozhoo. Welcome back to the show. Oh, we just hit the big time. 2,000 subscribers. I haven't read the email yet. I got an email from YouTube. Says, hey, congratulations. You can now monetize your videos. You can make some of that sweet junia. And they were like, these are the kind of videos you can make money off of. But don't be stealing other people's property. And, if you infringe upon copyright, we're going to take your channel down. And if you spread harmful lies, we'll take your channel down. YouTube is no place for disinformation. So that's why I want to go back on everything I've been saying. There was a Big Bang. This is the truth. It's as real as Santa Claus. Once upon a time, there was nothing that blew up. And it created everything. And then that evolved into plant life. That evolved into human life. That evolved into you and me. And you don't need a gun. And what else don't I believe? What? Because now I'm a company man. I'm going to quit challenging the YouTube algorithm, sweetie. Are you really? Yep. From now on, we're going to toe the line. So what is YouTube like? They like old Joe Biden. You want to get Joe Biden on the phone? I could. Yeah, call up Joe this morning. Let's see how he's doing. I want him to know that I'm ready to play ball. I'm not going to say anything about, that thing everybody's putting in their arm. No opinion on that. No opinion on my Sharona. Oh, you want to give me a little shot? Give me a shot even though I don't have Sharona. Has this thing been tested? Can we trust you creepy guys from the government? Okay, sweetie. I've got the phone number for the White House. Oh, okay. And it's ringing. Hello, is this the White House? Hi, is Joe Biden there? Yeah, put him on the line, will you? Hi, Joe. It's me, Natasha. Well, hi, how are you? Yeah. What? Well, I'm just wearing like a plaid pink. Well, never mind that. Do you want to be on the show? Yeah, okay. All right. Hey, sweetie, Joe Biden's on line 2. All right, thanks. All right, Joe Biden on line 2. Mr. President, welcome to the Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo podcast. Huh? What's going on, man? Hello there, Mr. Joe Biden, President Joe Biden. Welcome to the show. Hey there, Nanaboozhoo. What's going on? I was just telling Natasha. When I was a young man, I used to get in a lot of fights. Yeah, never mind that. I just wanted to call. Why'd we call Joe Biden? You were gonna call because you're a company man now. Oh, right. Yeah, Joe, I don't know if you're connected to the internet. I kind of suspect you're not. But I just want you to know that, I've poked some fun at politicians in the past. And I've poked some fun at some things that people find kind of, sacred, like the Dalai Lama or Hitler or whatever. But I want you to know now that we have 2,000 subscribers, I'm not going to make fun of your administration. You're not? No, I'm not. I'm on board. Whatever you say, let's do it. Hey, man, that's great. I mean, come on, man. Sometimes when people they want to question me, they want to say, "Hey, you don't know what you're doing." You know what I say? I say, "Come on, man. Hey, Nanaboozhoo." Yeah, what? Can I ask you for a favor? Yeah, sure. I was wondering, can I teach you Ojibwe word of the day? No, we already did it with Makwa. It's an indigenous cause. Oh, come on, man. Let me teach you Ojibwe word of the day. Look, dude. I got kind of a scripted thing here going on. I don't really have time. If I let you do it, then I'm going to have to let everybody do it, Oh, come on, man. Let me just do it. I am the president. Don't make me call my friends at the YouTube. All right, go ahead. What's the Ojibwe word of the day, Mr. President? Today is Ojibwe word of the day. Ombe. In an E. Come on, man. Because that's what I say. I say, come on, man. Yeah, that's right. You do say, come on, man. Ombe. In an E. Come on, man. All right. Well, that one's pretty good, I guess. All right. Anything else I can do for you, Mr. President? Is there anything else I can do for you, Mr. President? Joe. Huh? What? Who's there? It's me. It's Nanaboozhoo. You're on the show. What? You're on the Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo podcast. You were just teaching the Ojibwe word of the day. I was? Yeah. Oh, come on, man. That's right. Ombe in an E. Come on, man. Joe. Huh? Look, I gotta go. You're falling asleep on me. Oh, come on, man. Ombe in an E. Yeah. Okay. All right, I gotta go. Gigawa min, minawa, Mr. President. Yeah, gigawa min. Yeah, he fell asleep again. Yeah, he does that a lot. I don't think it's easy for him. He's either old and needs naps, or I guess like Hunter Biden does that a lot too. Hunter Biden just nods out. Yeah, exactly. He nods out. It's a drug thing. If you do enough like heroin, sometimes you'll just nod off. It's it's not easy to stay awake when you're on those really heavy drugs. But Umbe, Inani, come on, man. Umbe. I remember when I was a little boy. When I was just a little guy. I could hear my grandmother say, Umbe, Wisaninda. Come on, let's eat. Umbe. Umbe is a good word. You always got to yell at your kids. Umbe. Come on. Inani. It's man. Ikwe. It's a woman. And that's all I have to say about that, man. Umbe. Inani. Come on, man. Come on, man. What's it going to be, boy? Yes or no? What's it going to be, boy? Let me sleep on it, babe. Jessica says, they're all pip, pip, cheerio over there. Yeah, pip, pip, cheerio. I have a hard time isolating my English accents. I can do like a vague Irish, English, Australian, non-American accent that's like all, hello, love. Hello, love. What's this then, innit? There's one thing that English people do that sounds rude to a Midwesterner's ear. And that's when they end a sentence with, isn't it? Well, you know, that global warming is you know, it is a decisive issue, isn't it? Or I don't know. I mean, it's kind of, to us, it sounds like you're asking us to go, yes, okay, I agree. You're making me have to agree with you. Verbally. But in Minnesota, lots of times we don't agree. But we never tell each other what or why. If you don't agree, you have nothing nice to say. Our elders tell us, don't say nothing. Oh, if you can't say anything nice, just keep your mouth shut. You're like, hey, I don't know. So, Minneapolis. Okay. Because sometimes not saying something speaks volumes. You know. Oh. Yeah, so. Does anybody remember when that Australian lady got killed by the black Minneapolis cop not that long ago? It was like some nice lady from Australia, and the story was she was in her pajamas or something, and she went up to the cop car, and the cop was like, ah! And he killed her. But a white Australian lady, nobody uses that as an excuse to riot. No, that doesn't fit the narrative. Oh, yeah, who cares? A white lady and a black cop. That, you know. I heard that Black Lives Matter, BLM, now stands for buying large mansions. I guess the leader of the Black Lives Matter movement, she just bought like her fourth mansion in like one of the ritziest neighborhoods, almost all white neighborhoods of like Los Angeles or Hollywood or somewhere. She's got 4 homes. Like, all right, here you go. Sign me up for Marxism. You get 4 mansions. Even old Bernie Sanders only got 3 houses. I don't know. I love how these people, you know, speaking of the Queen and her ungrateful daughter-in-law, only in America can you be an actual princess. And interviewed by Oprah Winfrey, and still claim to be, you know, oppressed. Part of the, 99%. Part of the marginalized minorities. Oh, it's been so hard for me as a woman of color, living in America, where life is so hard for us women of color. Why is it hard for you? Who did what to you? Oh yeah, the royal family, a bunch of racists. When I became a princess, I couldn't believe how oppressed I was. All these racists in England, making me their queen, giving me millions of dollars. Where's my voice? Oprah, nobody listens to me because I'm a woman of color in America. I'm so oppressed. How dare you? How dare you ask what color my little cherub here, my little ginger cherub is? You racist. I'm like, what? But I got nothing nice to say, so I'm just going to keep my mouth shut. That doesn't make for a very good live stream though, huh, honey? No, you can't just be quiet on a live stream. You got to say something. Bay, come on, man. Come on. They call it Minnesota nice. If you can't say anything nice, don't say nothing at all. Just make little noises. Okay. You can say okay. You know. Hey, look, the transgendered men are coming in to read to the children. Okay. What? Missy says, like Kamala. What nationality will benefit me today? Exactly. Kamala. Kamala can't start a sentence. She's like the Count on Sesame Street. She's always cackling. You know. She'll joke about smoking marijuana in college and then cackle. And then joke about locking up people for smoking marijuana and cackle. I am Kamala. Kamala, whatever her name is. Choose a name. Cammy. If she was on the res, we'd call her Cammy or Cams. Hey, Cams. What's up? Daniel Black is back. Boozhoo. What the heck is going on today? I know. What the heck's going on here? I'm being an E. Come on, man. If you can't say anything nice, don't say nothing at all. Don't you know that's our way? We're stoic. You know? I mean, just think about your elders. Even when it came to... There was like 30 years of silence when it came to boarding schools. You'd be like, hey, Grandpa, what was boarding school like? I remember I asked my grandpa that question once. I go, Grandpa, was boarding school like? He goes, well, you know, for some people... It was like a home away from home. But not me so much. It's like, wow, is that ever a passive long way around of saying you didn't like boarding school? I mean, talk about just barely expressing a negative opinion. For some, it was a home away from home. But not so much for me. Jessica says, we have the opposite in New Jersey. We're not nice. Yeah, people out east have the reputation of being rude and loud, and, you know, everybody's a gangster in New Jersey. You know, everybody wants to fight. In fact, we've been called the most rude in the country. We'll let you know exactly what we think. If we even acknowledge you first. Yeah. I like to watch that, The Sopranos. That's where I get all my stereotypes of not only Italian people, but people from New Jersey in general. You know, forget about it. You know. And apparently people are constantly kissing each other, even the men. That would never fly in northern Minnesota. You know, even if you're from France, let alone New Jersey, if a man came up to kiss you on the cheeks, he's making a big assumption that you're going to want to, what's next, a hickey? Like, no, thank you, sir. We are on a shinabe. We only kiss our sweethearts. You know. I know in your country, the old kiss on the sides of the cheeks does not mean you're all, that way. Like, we'll never come right out and say the thing we talk about either. Like, people try to talk about that gay cousin. You're like, well, he's let's say he's a little light in the loafers. He's a little swishy. He's artistic. Need I say more? He's he swings to another tune. He's how you say, people in northern Minnesota are still back in the 70s when it comes to that issue. People don't just naturally go, oh, here's my life partner. Or we still use terms like that. Oh, there's his, life partner.
Like, that's his husband. Yeah, whatever. There's his, Well, look who's here. Adam and Steve. Instead of Adam and Eve. Whatever. Daniel, did you have a good birthday? Hey, yeah. Happy birthday, Daniel. Daniel's still partying up his birthday. Daniel's in that phase where he's like, oh, it's my birthday week. I don't know. All of Daniel's friends secretly hate him because they're like, hey, man, let's go to Mexico to celebrate my birthday week. And they're like, what? No, we don't want to go to Mexico. Oh, it'd be great, man. We can go to this resort. And, all you got to do is give them $1,000 and you can drink as much as you want. You're like, I don't want to sit in a pool in Mexico and drink. Number one, that pool is 20% urine. And nobody wants to fly to Mexico these days. And nobody cares that it's your birthday, Daniel. I mean, come on. Grow up. But I'm not going to say anything, you guys. Hombre nini. Come on, man. Don't make me have to say it. Everybody's thinking it. I can't decide if I want to be like super nice to Daniel all the time or just rude to him. I know. It's more fun to be rude to him. Yeah. So it's like, we were singing to you yesterday, Daniel. And we love you, but it's just so fun to pick on you. So Daniel says, Missy, I did thank you. Got a new cap from the kids. Jessica says, I read that wrong. Daniel says, Missy, I did thank you. I thought he was saying, I did thank you. Like Missy was like, hey, how come you never thanked me? I did this thing for you. And what? Nothing. Oh, I did thank you. Jessica says, laugh out loud. Yes, the Spanish and Italians do that. Sometimes I have to remember to not kiss my white friends on the cheek. Yeah. I guess I wouldn't mind it so much if it was a girl. Yeah. I think the ladies can still kiss us on the cheeks. It's just the gentlemen need to cut that out. Daniel got the live stream late because he partied too hard last night. Yeah, huh? Daniel. Mexico would be lovely. The furthest I got was work. Oh. Yeah, let's go to Mexico, Daniel. Let's go to Mexico. I guess they canceled Speedy Gonzalez, too. Andale, Ipa, Ipa. And his slowpoke cousin, that's Speedy Gonzalez. Slowpoke, what did they call him? Was it just Slowpoke Gonzalez? He'd take away all our girls. Andale, andale. You know who I like? Eeyore. Pathetic. That's what it is. Pathetic. I got a nail keeping my tail on. It's pathetic. He's just depressed. So yeah. Daniel Black 6 mix. Oh wait. Daniel, I've got thick skin. Bring it on. Yeah. Oh, Daniel's got that thick black skin. Is Daniel black? Well, he's from the black tribe. It's his family. They're blacks. That's the problem with Daniel. It just immediately sounds racist. Oh, you blacks are all the same. He's back in black. Jessica says, Slowpoke. There he is. Slowpoke Rodriguez. That old Slowpoke Rodriguez. He was always jealous of Speedy because Speedy got the girls. Speedy was cool. You know. Old Slowpoke. We go, hey, sweetie. Yeah? You got a phone call. Oh, really? Oh, the lines are really lighting up this morning. Line 2? Yep, line 2. Caller, welcome to the Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo podcast. You're on the air. Hey, man. It's me, old George W. Hey, George. How you doing? I'm all right.
just down here at the ranch, man. I was watching your show. I thought I'd call up. I know what you mean by them Italians. They like to kiss you on the cheeks. I'm like, hey, boys, you're going to kiss me on the cheeks. Why don't you kiss me on the old lips? Bring it on in here, man. Because I used to be the president, too, you know.
Yeah, I know. Wow, you sound really pepped up this morning.
Yeah, man, I've had like 6 cups of coffee. I took the horses for a ride around the ranch. Came in and watched a little Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo podcast. And I did a line of coke, if I'm being 100% honest.
Oh, sweetie, George Bush is back on the coke.
Is he really?
You know, that's not good for you, sir. You're getting too old for that.
Yeah, I know, man. I call it nose candy. I picked it up when I was in college, man. Got a little frosted flakes for my breakfast, if you know what I'm saying.
Yeah, dude, this is a children's show. I can't be making jokes about drugs.
Come on, man. It's just a little cocaine. Cocaine. That's what they call it. Cocaine. I like to put, when you want to get down, you get down on the ground, man. That's what I'm saying.
Okay, dude, is there anything else I can do for you today?
Well, just had a question, man. I had a question about the language and the culture.
Yeah, what is that?
Well, I heard a story once that you can't tell the stories unless you do some cocaine, man. Is that right? Is that true? Do the elders have to do a line of coke before they tell a story?
No, that's totally 100% not true. In fact, traditional people and stuff, they steer clear of drugs. You know, that's not our way. We don't even do like peyote in the Ojibwe way. You know, the strongest drug we do is caffeine.
Oh, come on, man. Well, then how come I always hear that you gotta wait till the snow's on the ground, man? That's gotta be code word, right? The snow's on the ground before you tell a story? Snow, that's code for coke, right?
Dude, I'm gonna let you go, okay?
All right. Well, hey, Nanaboozhoo, what is the Ojibwe word for cocaine?
I don't think there is an Ojibwe word for cocaine.
How about snow?
I don't know, zugipun?
It's snowing, zugipun.
Yeah, okay. Look, I gotta go.
All right, man. Go up, man, a while. Yeehaw!
Yeah, okay. George Bush.
I know. I think he might have been on something.
Yeah. I'm sorry, you guys. Kids in the future who stumble across this show thinking it's Sesame Street, I just want to apologize for George W. Bush. That wasn't funny. You know, don't do drugs, you kids. Drugs will screw up your life. You know, this is one thing I know about drugs. Nobody ever said, you know what, I owe all my success to cocaine. If it wasn't for the cocaine, I would I'd be a loser now. Except maybe David Bowie and a lot of rock stars. Maybe all of the rock stars. I don't know. But just don't try it. I don't know. I'm not going to tell you what to do. Do what you want. Hoka. The cat is woke. Good morning, Gaja Gaines. Gaja Gaines. Gosh Gozi. Gaja Gaines. Gosh Gozi. The cat. Wake up. The cat wakes up. Jessica says, literally as he appeared on the screen, he jumped at it. Oh, he jumped at George Bush? He was like, I know the truth about 9/11. Oh, we should have asked him about 9/11. You want to get George Bush back on the phone?
Yeah, sure. I'll just star 69. It's ringing. Hi, George. Yeah, it's Natasha again. We got some questions about 9/11. Yeah, okay, you want to be on the show? All right. Here you go, sweetie. Line 2.
Line 2. All right.
Yeah. Nanaboozhoo, what's going on?
Yeah, George, I forgot to ask you. Were you behind 9/11?
Come on, man. Come on. You're I can't. Don't forget you're on YouTube now. certain stuff. I mean, I could tell you the truth. I love to tell you the truth. I mean, don't get me wrong. I could tell you some stories, boy. But then they just take down your channel, man. Yeah, I can't be telling you that. Let me just say this. Yeah, what's that? Look into Tower 7. Oh, that tower that just dropped without a plane hitting it? Yeah, man. A tower drop just same day. People don't want to talk about it. They're hoping you'll forget. But remember that? There were like 2 planes, they said, flew into 9/11, flew into the Twin Towers. Yeah, huh? and then hours later, there goes Tower 7. Same thing. It drops just like them. No. And you know what they said? Why? Yeah, didn't they say it was because of office fires? That's right. They said the fire jumped the street, set some fire on Tower 7, and then that tower burned into the ground. I mean, come on, man. Come on, man. And that's our Ojibwe word of the day. Ombe and an E. Come on, man. You believe that? All right, thanks. Well, I just wanted to, I don't know, I just wanted to ask you finally. Yeah, man. I mean, I would tell you, but I love your show too much. I don't want to get you into trouble. All right. Well, maybe sometime off air you can tell me what really happened. Okay, yeah, man. Call me back. All right. Let's call him back after the show's over. Okay. Yeah, I'll find out what really happened on 9/11. I just don't want to get into trouble with our newly monetized YouTube channel video. One thing I'm not going to do that every YouTube video does, I'm so tired of people saying in the beginning of the video, so please remember to click like, subscribe, and share. And if you'd like to support our channel, click the link below to our Patreon page or give us a tip on PayPal or GoFundMe. Books by Michael Lyons can be ordered by clicking the link to Amazon. To order Ojibwe language children's books, coloring books, comic books, and even a collection of cartoons and the Little Cutie story by Michael Lyons, cartoonist and creator of Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo. Ojibwe by Michael Lyons. I'm not going to say that kind of stuff. By now, everybody already knows how YouTube works. If you want to like it, like it. If you want to hit I don't like it, hit I don't like it. Whatever. I'm not going to tell you what to do. You don't like the show? Yeah. Tune in every day and tell me how much you hate me. That's what I'm looking for. Oh, yeah. I was really curious how many people don't like Ojibwe language and culture. I'm talking to you, Ernie and Bert. Quit with your hate mail. I just take it down. You've been blocked. I don't know how many times. I didn't want to do this publicly. Ernie and Bert. And your, lifestyle. I didn't say anything about it. I kept my mouth shut. It's not my place to judge you. But, somebody else will. But quit with your hate mail. I'm not interested in what you think of my show. No. Yes, I know you guys did it first. And hats off. I will always feel indebted to, what's his name? My hero. My, what's that guy's name who did the Muppets? Jim Henson. Yeah, Jim Henson. He was a real inspiration. The guy redefined the art form. So good for him. But as for you, Ernie and Bert, there's plenty of room for both of us. You can, live your ways and promote your lifestyle to children. I know the television workshop and all the, whatever you want to call them at the public television stations. Yeah, fine. They're cool with sodomy. Whatever. That's you. It's not my place to say anything. But quit sending hate mail. That's all I'm asking. And no more death threats, Big Bird. Yeah. You think I'm afraid of you, Big Bird?
Yeah, I've been getting your death threats. I know it's you. Big Bird's been sending me these bizarre letters that were cut out from magazines about how he's going to kill me. And how, he was the original and I'm like some kind of imitator. Poser, he called me. Well, you know what, Big Bird? It's not like Sesame Street was the first children's show to ever use puppets, all right? So I've had it. I'm sick of it. What are you doing, sweetie? I don't know. All right, you guys. Hey, sweetie, you want to get up here and say hello to the people? I just went off the deep end. I know you did. Sure, I'll go up there. All right, you guys. Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo will return after these messages from Michael Lyons' video. So, by the way, Ernie and Bert aren't really... I don't think they watch this show. Yeah, I am getting death threats from Big Bird, but to be fair, I kind of have that coming. So this is a song by Michael Lyons that, hold on, pause, and go forward. That one's too sad. What is this? Oh yeah, this is a good one. Okay, so this song is called something. And it starts with me drawing a picture of Natasha. It's so cute. All right, sweetie, I promise I'll get up there. I'll get out of here in a minute. Take your time. All right, you guys, enjoy this song. And I'll see you again tomorrow. GOFUNDME, Minowa. Wabang.
I'd say we are quite through, but I know you won't break down, you won't miss a step, you won't be around, and you'll never regret. But one day, when I'm old and gray, I might look back and say, these were the golden days. One day, when I'm old and I'm gray, I might look back and say, this was the price I paid. So it goes, or so they say. Time's like a mountainscape. I don't know, but I can't complain. God knows I've got my own escape. Sometimes I just might, even in the middle of the night. Sometimes, someday, sometimes I wake and but it's got nothing to do with you. I've got no one, still you won't do. And after today, I'd say we are quite through. But I know you won't break down, you won't miss a step, you won't be around, and you'll never regret. But one day, when I'm old and gray, I might look back and say, these were the golden days. One day, when I'm old and I'm gray, I might look back and say, this was the price I paid.
Natasha Nindigenous Cause. Natasha is my name. And, let me scoot up here. So, hey, everybody. Just want to stop in and say Boozhoo, Brandy Marie. Boozhoo. Boozhoo, Missy. Hey, girl. Boozhoo, Jessica Gonzalez. Daniel Black. Gotta go fetch my girl. Bumma B. Yeah. Daniel's gonna go get his girlfriend. Or maybe his daughter. It's probably his daughter. See you later, Daniel. And, who else is here? Everybody who's watching right now. Boozhoo! It's so nice to see you. I mean, come on, man. What's not to love about the Boozhoo crew? Bay, Inini. Come on, man. Bay, Inini. Come on, man. What do you want?
Hey, sweetie.
Yeah,
We got one more call.
we do. On line 2?
Yeah.
Okay. Caller, you're on the air. Welcome to Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo.
Natasha! Natasha!
Oh, hi, Cookie Monster. How are you?
Me good. Me love cookie.
Yeah, I know. You love those cookies, don't you, sweetie?
I do. Me love cookie. Me teach Ojibwe word for cookie. Ah!
Okay. What's Ojibwe word for cookies? Cookie?
Cookie. Bakwazi gans. Bakwazi gans. Ninja cars.
Oh, it's a shame we didn't get the text. You're saying Bakwazi Gantz. Gantz? Guns? Bakwazi Guns. Cookie. Bakwazi Gun is like bread. Bakwazi Guns is like little bread or cookie. And then I think I heard you say Nindigenous Cause is my name, huh?
Yeah, me teach Ojibwe.
Nindigenous Cause. Yeah, okay. So, what can I do for you today, Cookie?
Me want cookie. Me want cookie.
Yeah, listen, I'm gonna have to let you go. I don't have any cookies.
You have cookie in kitchen.
Yeah, I know, but you're on the phone. I can't give you a cookie. Anyway, I gotta go. We're out of time.
Okay. Giga waba min minawa.
Yeah, okay. Give you a minute walk, Cookie. All right. Well, everybody, I, for one, am going to do something here before I sign out. Because I want a soundtrack. Okay. Yesterday we had Sly Stallone on here. We were saying how the problem today is that there's not enough theme music going on. So Sylvester Stallone was like, yeah, anytime I come into a room, I have him play that Rocky theme before I walk in. And I'm like, hey, look at me, I'm Rocky. But here's our theme music. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to say, Miigwech Bizendawi egg. Thank you for listening. Miigwech Ganawabi egg. Thank you for watching. Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo. Name Wyndham Omanungoom. Thank you for watching Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. This is Nanaboozhoo.
Boozhoo.
Over here is Michael Lyons.
Hello, everybody.
And I will see you again. Gigawa min Milawa. Hawa. And tune in tomorrow. We'll be back. All right. And live stream. Da 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 da. La dee dee dum.